Hi, my name is Kirti Kadam and I'm the CEO and founder of 100rupees.com. 100rupees.com is a platform for people to buy and sell anything for 100 rupees. Basically, the concept came to me when I was going through a lot of freelancing websites where people could come and work from home. They can make part-time money, they can earn a lot of money doing what they love to do. So I wanted to bring that platform to Indian fresh graduates who are not working today, who are unemployed and who can make at least some money in the side. So basically this is the reason I brought the idea on the net, and we've been doing well for past 1 year now, and I think it is going to be one of the best websites for Indian students and people working from home.
So first question is, the main criteria of the site is to find the unemployment.
Right, exactly.
So till now, have you made a difference?
What do you mean? What exactly is your question?
According to you, around 1.5 crores in the population, there are 45 lakh people who are unemployed.
Right.
So your site is running for nearby a year. So in this entire year span, do you think you have helped people or you have produced something?
No, actually we haven't impacted so much in terms of business. We for the past 1 year we've only been building the site. That has been our focus. But our in terms of fighting unemployment, my vision is to have about 1 billion users by the end of 2020. So you can understand when I say there's crores of people unemployed in India, and my vision matching to that is 1 billion users, and I want those 1 billion users to have to make at least 10,000 rupees every month from our site. So that is my vision for the next 5 years. In the next 5 years, when I have the company grown and everything is going good, I want that target to be achieved. It looks very big right now, but to be honest, right now we have only 300 users. So from 300, the journey from 300 users to 1 billion users is going to be very, very, very big. I'm talking in terms of creating a country just like Facebook. But the whole point is we're not creating anything that is just fun, but we're creating something that will bring money, that people will earn money out of it, and they'll earn money from what they love to do. There are several artists who don't get an opportunity to work for what they want to do. But we are trying to build this platform for those artists. We're trying to bring the platform to people, to graduates who just don't have to go and get a job. Don't get a job. Work, do what you like to do. So that is our aim. So fighting unemployment is our main goal. On the other hand, we want people to do what they love to do. So I understand we haven't reached any big milestone in a year, but we've built the site. We've built an amazing site right now.
My second question is, it's very simple and you can say in short. Why go with the name of 100 rupees exact?
100 rupees because it's something affordable.
Affordable.
Basically affordable. I want to, our vision, our mission is to bridge the gap between talent and value. So we want the talent to give value to the buyers. So that's why 100 rupees.
The third question is, name some features in your website that should attract or captivate a person to enter his biodata in your site. And what attracts a person? If a painter, if a web designer, he wants a job, what makes him something that he wants to enter a biodata and get a job from your site?
Well, the best part of our site for anybody to come in is basically we're trying to bring stuff that they want to do. What they love to do is what is important, and we're only focusing on that. We don't want people to just be a web developer. Even if a web developer comes to our site, we have given a chance for him to not just be web developer. He can be a photographer. He can have his hobbies on our site. his expertise may just be a web development stuff, but if he wants to do photography, if he's a painter, he's a drawing person, he can come here and he can do that as well. So it's an opportunity for people to do anything that is not existing right now on freelancing websites. It's just not about website development, it's just not about logo design, it's about everything and anything that they can sell. Basically your skill, your talent, you can bring on this platform.
My next question is, who is this company funded from?
This is all bootstrapped. Basically right now the money is coming from my pocket. It's family and friend. Basically family and friends have given money, and
So no investors.
no investors right now.
The next question is, the basic thing everyone is concerned about nowadays is security. Okay. So what strategy do you have to maintain the walls of your website?
Basically for security purposes, we've focused on the payment security. We have third-party websites who take care of our payments. One of them is PayPal for international transactions, and the other one is CC Avenue for Indian bank transactions. So that's the only security measures and security walls that we've created, basically for the payments to go through right now.
So my next question is, the main theme of the site is the buyers and the customers. Okay.
Right.
Customers are the person who upload their biodata in your website for the jobs, and buyers are the person who hire those people. Okay. So if you're in a certain deal, a deal goes in the wrong way. If the buyer is not satisfied with the customer's work, who's responsible for it? The customer or the website?
Okay. First, let me just make this thing clear. Our customers are our buyers actually, and both the users. Basically, a user comes and they can buy and sell. So customers are basically buyers. But in terms of something going wrong between the buyer and the client, the seller and the client, we come in between, and we take care of the issue. We also have a button called cancel mutually. If the buyer does not like the work of the seller, they can talk to them and tell them that I don't like your work, so please cancel it. And on the other hand, the seller can actually agree to it or say, no, well, I've put in a lot of effort, so I can't cancel this. So they can also deny or accept. So if some dispute arises, then we try to intervene, and we try to solve the problem between the buyer and the seller.
My next question is, why pick the topic fight unemployment in the topmost priority? It's what clicked your mind? What made you change your mind?
It's got a very big background because my dad he did a lot of research on unemployment a few years ago, and he has written even a thesis on how to generate employment in India. That was about 10-20 years back, when BPOs had still not come and outsourcing was still not done in India. So maybe from that point onwards, when I was still a kid, I was still thinking of why there is such a big problem of unemployment in India. He used to talk to me about, he used to tell us all in the family that that there are graduates, there are people who are postgraduates who don't have jobs. So that's something has been in my mind forever. So that and the freelancing websites that I've been seeing somewhere matched, and I thought of coming up with this idea and making it available for people to earn money.
That's a nice answer. My next question is, in this field you must have certain competitors.
Yes.
Who doesn't have it?
Yes.
So the thing is, when you look at the competitors, do you feel satisfied that you have grown far enough from them, or do you think you need a lot of work to do till now?
No, in terms of becoming something excellent, we have not reached there yet. I think we have, our competition is better than us at this point of time. Our competition in terms of their layout of their website, in terms of the navigation and the seamlessness that they have on their websites is awesome. We are still working on it. We're still a small team, we're just a team of 3. So we're still working on that part. On the business side, our competition has gone too far from what we can imagine. We're just very small, but we have very big goals.
Okay, I'll just take a name of a competitor. The name of the company is Fiverr. You ever heard of it?
Yeah, I've heard of Fiverr. Fiverr is definitely our main competition in terms of international business. So you can even say that we are very much inspired by Fiverr. I love Fiverr, and I hope we become someday like Fiverr.
You see, your website has a limit of $2 for each and every product.
Right.
Okay, you can't sell anything above it.
You can.
No, you can, but 90% of them are limited with the $2 price.
Right.
On the other hand, Fiverr has no limits over $2. It can sell product of $5, $7.
Right.
So, do you think it's an advantage of Fiverr over you?
No, that's the reason, at this point of time, as of today, we have about 110 transactions already done. Okay, so which is all of 100 rupees. So we constantly get feedback from our customers that, basically our sellers, that some of the items we can't sell for 100 rupees. So that's why we brought in 100 rupees X, wherein sellers can sell not just for 100 rupees but multiples of 100. Wherein they can not just make 100, but they can take projects which is about 10,000 rupees, which is about $200. They can take projects of 50,000 rupees, which is about $1,000. So there's no limit. Although the whole concept is surrounded at 100 rupees. We don't want to move away from 100 rupees. So that's why we brought 100 rupees X, which is multiples of 100. So there's no limit.
Is your concept 100rupees.com is available everywhere in India?
Yes. It is all over India, across the 7 continents, everywhere, World Wide Web.
Including the smaller cities in
Yes,
India?
yes. Anybody who has access to internet can go online, can register, and can start buying and selling.
Because many of the startups we come by, they say that they are all over India, but they are only available in the bigger cities.
No, we don't have any restrictions because our transactions are done online. See, for example, if there is a logo designer sitting in some Timbuktu, he can do that. He can just upload his pictures, upload his logo designs, portfolio, and buyers can see that, and they can say this guy is good, so I want my business logo to be done by this guy, and they can just buy, and the seller will just design it and send it across through the message box, the delivery box.
Okay.
So there's no place that restricts us. So we are all online.
Okay. Do you think you can depend on this company for lifelong? Does this company contain a lifelong revenue?
Yes, definitely. This is my baby, and it's gonna be there forever and forever. Yes, and entrepreneurs who are willing to take that commitment, have that commitment, and ready to die for what they believe in, only succeed. So I totally believe in this company, and I think we'll make it very big.
Hi, my name is Tejas Kutai. I'm working here since last 6 months. I'm web developer over here, and we are 2 people as a web developer. My colleague is Bhavika Patil. She's not here right now, and we are working here since last 6 months, and we have developed this 100rupees.com. Sometimes it's not possible to develop one task in a limited time of period. We require more time to complete it. But after completing that task, we feel like we climbed Mount Everest.